నమస్కారం. ఆర్టీఐ 9 న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. మెదక్ జిల్లా కొల్చారం సాంఘిక సంక్షేమ గురుకుల పాఠశాల కళాశాలలో విద్యార్థులతో భోజనం చేసిన గవర్నర్ ఎంపీ రఘునందన్ రావు, ఎమ్మెల్యే సునీత లక్ష్మారెడ్డి, గవర్నర్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ సెక్రటరీ దానకిషోర్, జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ రాహుల్ రాజ్, జిల్లా ఎస్పీ ఉదయ్ కుమార్ రెడ్డి 100 ఏండ్ల ఘన చరిత్ర కలిగిన మెదక్ చర్చి ప్రాంగణంలో గవర్నర్కి పుష్పగుచ్చంతో స్వాగతం పలికిన ప్రెస్ బ్రీటరీ ఇన్ఛార్జ్ శాంతయ్య, చర్చి కమిటీ సభ్యులు. అనంతరం చర్చిలో ప్రత్యేక ప్రార్థనలు చేసిన గవర్నర్ ఆశీర్వదించిన చర్చి పెద్దలు. మెదక్ చర్చిలో గవర్నర్కు పుష్పగుచ్చంతో స్వాగతం పలికి మర్యాదపూర్వకంగా కలిసిన స్థానిక ఎమ్మెల్యే రోహిత్ రావు, మున్సిపల్ చైర్మన్, ఆర్టీఐ 9 న్యూస్ మెదక్ బ్యూరో రిపోర్టర్ బుచ్చన్న.
కొంచెం గ్యాప్ తీసుకోండి, కొంచెం వెనక తీసుకోండి, గ్యాప్ తీసుకోండి.
Kulcharam, the prestigious campus of Telangana Social Welfare Residential Educational Institution. Thank you, sir. सबसे ऊंचा हमारे बीच में आया है वो हमारा अपना गवर्नर साहब है, डॉक्टर सर मेदक डिस्ट्रिक्ट revered guest Sri Rahul Raj IAS to join us onto the stage. I now invite our distinguished guest, Principal Secretary to Governor Danakishore Garu IAS. May I now welcome our Nishini IAS, today's president of the program, with all our overwhelming wholeheartedness. Welcome, ma'am. With great joy and pride, I cordially invite Superintendent of Police. Once again, a big round of applause for all the guests on the dais. It's now time for traditional lighting of lamp, which symbolizes the dispelling of darkness and arrival of knowledge and wisdom. I kindly and humbly invite Honorable Governor and all our district and light the lamp as we begin the special occasion with a moment of reverence of light. Ms. Savita.
दीपं ज्योति परब्रह्मा दीपं सर्वतमोपहं दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं संध्यादीपात् नमोस्तुते शुभारोग्यं सुखसंपदं
तेलंगाना జానపద జనజీవన జావలీలు జాలువా కవి గాయక వైతాళిక కలలా మంజీరాలు జాతిని జాగృత పరిచే గీతాల జనజాత అనునిత్యం నీ గానం అమ్మ నీవే మా ప్రాణం జై తెలంగాణ జై జై తెలంగాణ జై తెలంగాణ జై జై తెలంగాణ.
Bouquets for you especially. So I
Good afternoon. On the dais, the Honorable MP and the Honorable MLA, Principal Secretary to the Governor and Urban Development, Secretary Social Welfare and other dignitaries on the dais. It's been a great afternoon meeting you all and interacting with you all. Very nice questions. I hope I have been able to answer them. And when I came to the school, I was quite impressed at the very beginning only. Such smart girls welcomed me in a very smart way. And your school band is also very, very good. And while I was sitting on this stage, the Principal Secretary told me that many girls have, scaled mountains and done very well from the school. So this tradition you have to keep up. If you can climb mountains, there's nothing more difficult. Because in life also you'll have to climb so many mountains and become the top person. And I'm happy to know the government is running schools like this, of this standard. All girls are well dressed, well spoken, not nervous to ask questions. As the MP was saying, you must ask questions and you must also find the answers. And as one young student was asking me problems, never look for problems, only look for solutions. Instead of being a problem finder, be a solution giver. That is the whole idea. And study well. And this school offers a lot of games. You must also play well. A healthy mind and a healthy body. That is what the nation is looking for. And you are the future of Telangana and future of the country. What dreams you see today will be the reality of tomorrow. So dream hard. You must dream, you must have dreams. And you must try to fulfill them. Only having dreams and going to sleep is not the answer. You will have dreams, and on your part, you will have to try and fulfill them. And this type of schools for girls, I believe, are one of the best things that is happening. Because young girls have to find their own self in the long journey of life. Life is a journey. You have to find yourself, you have to find the path where you want to go. You will become engineers, you will become doctors, you will become everything you want to be. But after becoming a doctor, you also have to become a good person, a good citizen of India, a good Bharatiya Nagarik. And then this nation can become strong. This nation can only become strong when you become strong. This nation can only get success when you get success. And especially young girls, especially girls. Girls are half the society. Half of our future is girls, young girls. So when you do well, the nation will do well. Your state, Telangana, will do well. Your village will do well. And your homes will do well. So I wish you all the best. Study hard, work hard, play hard, dream hard, and become achievers. And it's great that I have been able to visit this school, and I thank the school administration for being here and calling you all to interact with me and to see you all, and lovely performance, the cultural performance I could see. Lovely dance, classical Indian dance, lambada dance, English dance. So very nice. All round a lovely band, lovely NCC. So you have a very school that is very active. It is not a school that is not active. So you also have to be active. Because solutions lie in action, not in only thinking. No solution can be, I won't do anything. Problems will not go away by saying, I will not do anything. When you do something, then problems will become too small. Even big things will look small when you do something, when you do action. And when you don't do action, when you only think about problems, then what happens? Problem looks like a mountain. So I wish you all the very best and a very bright future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.